Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that's been on a lot of people's minds lately. Can you buy crypto on Wealthsimple? Now, before we dive into that, let's take a step back and talk about what Wealthsimple is. Wealthsimple is a financial technology company that offers a variety of investment services, including stock trading, mutual funds, and even cryptocurrencies. They're known for their user-friendly interface and low fees, which makes them a popular choice for both beginners and experienced investors. So, can you buy crypto on Wealthsimple? The answer is yes. In fact, Wealthsimple offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies that you can buy and sell. This includes some of the most popular options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. One of the things that makes Wealthsimple's crypto platform so appealing is that it's very easy to use. You can simply create an account, deposit some money, and start buying and selling cryptocurrencies with just a few clicks. There's no need to be a crypto expert to get started. Another advantage of using Wealthsimple is that they offer a number of features that make it easy to manage your crypto investments. For example, you can set up price alerts so that you're notified when the price of a particular cryptocurrency reaches a certain level. You can also track your portfolio's performance over time and see how your investments are doing. Of course, there are some things to keep in mind before you start buying crypto on Wealthsimple. One is that cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, which means that their prices can fluctuate significantly. This means that you could lose money if the price of a cryptocurrency falls. Another thing to be aware of is that Wealthsimple charges fees for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. These fees can vary depending on the type of cryptocurrency you're trading and the amount of money you're investing. Overall, Wealthsimple is a great option for people who are looking to get started with cryptocurrency investing. They offer a user-friendly platform, a wide range of cryptocurrencies, and a number of features that make it easy to manage your investments. However, it's important to be aware of the risks involved before you start investing in crypto. So, there you have it. The answer to the question, can you buy crypto on Wealthsimple, is yes. If you're looking for a simple and easy way to get started with cryptocurrency investing, Wealthsimple is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.